So very good evening, Vikas ji. How are you?
I am good. Thanks for asking. And
Oh,
I am your viewer. And also, I watch your every conversation, and I have been looking to connect you since long.
oh, I'm so sorry for the delay. That might be from my side, but you know my schedule, and for that reason,
Yeah,
sometimes it's happened. So,
yeah,
let's start with the introduction first. I would like to
yeah,
know about you.
yeah. So my name is Vikas. I am 34 years old. I blessed with two kids. My elder one is daughter, and she is 6 years old, and younger just turned one.
Okay,
I born in Bihar, and I did my engineering from Nagpur. Currently, I am a mechanical engineer. I have been in this profession for 12 years, and 10 years I was in India, and currently I am in Kuwait.
okay. So you're talking to me from Kuwait?
Right? Yes,
Oh, great. Good to know about you.
and I know about you uh,
Okay.
because I have seen your lots of video.
So finally, I don't need to give my introduction.
Yes, because I am also not an YouTuber, so it's okay. We actually, ma'am, I'm looking to be fluent in this English spoken since long, but
Mhm.
now still I'm not fluent. You can see
Okay.
I'm lagging. So how
Um,
you improve? Because your earlier I have seen your video. Now you are like fluent. You can say.
I can say that I'm fluent, but I'm still not perfect. I'm still consider myself as a learner and I'm learning new things every day. As I can see you,
Yeah.
you are able to speak, but there's a little of, I feel that it's a kind of hesitation somewhere, because of which you are not able to speak fluently. But I think your English is good. You are able to understand everything and you are also able to speak. It is not like that you are on
Yes.
a very beginner level. You just need a
Yeah.
practice. That's it.
Yeah, because in day to day in my office, the communication is English only, so we have to speak. So, but because I have completed my the schooling from Hindi medium, so I have lacking in the fluency and pronunciation as well.
Mm. I have noticed that most of the Indian people they have this problem with pronunciation somewhere, and the second is
Yeah.
hesitation because we have studied from Hindi medium school, we haven't spoke English. So now it is a very new language for us, and when we see somebody who is speaking very fluently, we automatically feel nervous. We before even we start speak, we started to like we give up. Oh my God, he is speaking so good. I may not be able to speak in front of him. This is the usual mentality of every Indian people, I feel that. But now the time has been changed. People are learning English just by watching YouTube and using resources. So now you have so many things that you can, improve your English just like in no time. So what are you doing
Yes.
to improve your English? Apart from listening,
I
I know you listen my videos or watch my
yeah.
videos. What else you do?
Agree. See, I am listening your all conversational video. Nowadays, so many YouTubers having uploading a conversational video. Apart from this, I also listen native speakers because I have to communicate these native people as per my job requirement. So I start listening to them also so that I can learn the things from native speakers. So I can so this I'm doing from last 1 2 3 months from last 2 3 months and
So you are
shadowing
listening.
techniques. Yeah, yeah, I'm
Okay,
listening
sure.
and doing shadowing because I am working professional. I don't get didn't get much time to do the writing and today's Friday weekend for me, so that's why I am connecting to you. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So it's still like your practice is still limited with listening only. You are not doing any effort for speaking. Did you ever speak to
Yes.
any other YouTuber like before me?
Yes. This Minu ma'am.
Okay, so you have talked to me, no, ma'am. Okay,
Yes,
it's like
yeah.
2 to 3 people.
Yes, yes. Normally, I get time on Friday, so I try to connect. If someone free, then I connect. Otherwise, I listen the videos. And as my office having only English communication, so I speak daily. But I have to improve. I have
Mm.
to be fluent. So, ma'am, what are you doing? Now you are almost on your fluency. So you are how you are improving, and what is your like level? So you want to become on that.
Okay,
First,
so I'm
you get
improving.
fluency, I think, almost. So are you working on your pronunciation or
Not exactly on pronunciation. I'm not working on that at all. But
okay?
yes, I'm working on my correctness. I think I feel that I made sometimes a grammatical errors. So I just want to
Yes.
overcome those fears, overcome those problems. That's my main motive at this moment. Because
Okay.
fluency, I feel that it is there. Fluency does not mean that you have to be like speak continuously without taking a pause or something.
Yeah.
I'm able to
Yes.
express my thoughts very nicely to other person is easily able to understand me, so I feel that I'm fluent. But yes, I do, or sometimes I make grammatical errors, and for that I'm doing, I'm just talking to you right now. Similarly, this is my practice. I am
Yes.
giving practice of English to myself because I'm getting chance to speak. So when you are
Yes.
getting chance to speak, that is when you are actually doing practice. So right now I'm practicing with you. Apart from that, I started writing. I don't write separately something. As you said that you are also busy, I am also busy. Even I don't get time. I'm at
Yeah.
home, but still I'm busy. So for that reason, I'm just trying to write my scripts, and that is the only reason I start creating solo videos. The solo videos I'm creating, that is not actually for the people, but for me, for my improvement. And I'm improving. I can see that I'm able to use good words during my solo videos because I write a
Yeah.
script, then I read that script many times before I create a
Yes.
video. So that is very like helpful. That is helping me.
Yeah, that's I agree because one time you are writing, then again time reading, and third time you are
Ah,
speaking. So it's three times.
yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Automatically you are able to pronounce good vocabulary, good words. And even if you will compare my conversational videos with my solo videos, you will find out the difference. And that difference is
Yeah.
not about the speaking, that difference is because of writing. I am not writing my conversational script, but I am writing my solo script. That is the only difference.
Yes.
And that is the chance where I'm learning new words. So this is what I'm doing most of the time these days.
Other things I wanted to read books, but what is the issue? I read 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. After that, I I'm not able to read. I'm like this. So
I have an
how?
idea for that.
Yeah.
I think you should choose some kind of interesting book or thrillers, I feel, because
Yeah.
these kinds of books give you curiosity to know the end. What should be the end of this story? Choose that
Yes.
kind of books which will motivate you to finish that. For example, I still remember like few days ago I have read one book, arranged marriage something. There was something arranged marriage or it was mystery book. I don't remember the exact
Yeah.
name.
Yeah.
I have mentioned in one of my video as well. So that video was like that book was all about girl who get married, and at the end she got suicide. But what's the reason why she did it? It was the book was all about that. So it was some kind of
Okay.
curiosity inside me that I want to finish that book. I want to finish that book, and I think I have read more like most of like if it is like this much, I left only this. I finish
Uh,
almost more than half.
yeah.
So that
Yeah.
curiosity brings me um, capable of reading that book. You should also choose some kind of content or some kind of books which can help you to make you
Agree. Agree.
curious.
Yeah. So you are reading this digital book or hard copy book?
That is totally your choice.
Yeah.
I used to read physical book, hard copy.
Yeah.
Soft
Yes.
copy, what happened actually? Why am I telling you? When we read or listen an audio book, automatically our mind diverts and we started watching end up. end up watching reels or some unnecessary stuff which
Yes.
is not required because that phone is in our hand. So
Yeah.
we are not that much concentrated. So if you will keep aside your phone and if you will truly dedicate it for reading a book, you will be able to manage that. But if you know, it's for this phone is actually the main distraction. Most of the people,
Distraction.
they're not able to achieve anything in life just because of this phone. The moment we take
Yes.
this phone to utilize something, we end up watching something else which is not even necessary to us. So
Correct, correct. Yeah.
hard reading book in its book
Uh,
format,
Paper
it's
book,
very
yeah. Yes.
paper book,
Paper
yeah.
book is also always good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Anything else would you
uh,
like to ask me?
so what is your long-term goal?
To becoming a
What?
famous YouTuber, as I
Oh, okay.
always said.
Yeah. So your content is limited towards English speaking, or what is other? Like, are you going to blogging something, or because this is a saturation, or this is limited, you can say.
Yes, that is absolutely true. And you know what? I really love vlogging. I would love to post vlogs, and I think this is the right time I should do it because I have two young kids. I have a lot of things to show to my audience.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm waiting when they will grown up, then I will do something. So I think
No,
I am
you can
not able
start.
to do anything.
Yes, but see, the one of this YouTuber, you can say Addy, and there are something channels. Yeah. So she
Creating
are
vlogs.
doing, yeah, yeah, creating blogs and doing. So small blogs you can start whenever you go in park or somewhere with your kids. Then you can start like
People
this.
will not watch that. The small vlog, you won't
Yeah.
get anything. People will
Yes.
not be able to relate with you. For
Yeah.
vlogging, people should feel connected with you. They should curious to know about your life.
Yeah.
Then only your vlog channel will work. You won't believe, but recently I have shut down my one of the other channel that is pregnancy care and baby vlogs. That's all about
Yeah.
that. I am not getting time to upload single video on that channel. I have more than 20,000 subscribers there, and I just quit that channel now. Like it's been 3 months, I haven't uploaded a single video there. So just
Yes.
because of the timing issue, I'm not able to do it.
Yeah, because now the people are only watching this travel content and this food
Travel,
blogging.
entertaining.
Two, yeah, two blogs are like in booming, food and travel.
And though people like watching vlogs only from those people who can create fake stories and drama,
Yes,
I can't
yeah,
do
yeah,
that drama. I can't do fake
yes,
things. आज मेरी सास ने मुझे ये कहा और डाल
yeah,
देते हैं लोग. Like many people are watching that video. I can't do this. Not at all. It's
yes.
not my cup of tea.
Yeah, because of the reason behind, I think in a rural area, or the people who are not professional, or they don't have much work,
But
they have time. They are
yes,
normally like know these Hindi, or there's this type of content, and they waste their time hours and hours. But the people
yes,
who are in professional peoples don't have such time to watch
yes.
that vlog and this all. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. And your mind should be creative for that. You have to put some kind of different titles every day. What will you show to people every day? That I'm cooking food,
Yeah.
I'm eating food. How long people will watch it? That how you are cooking and what you are eating. Few days after
Yes.
that, people will get bored. So you have to bring something new every day. How a person can bring something new every day? I don't know why. So much of things are happening in YouTubers' life only. The vlogging channel, especially. Every day
Yes,
there is
yes.
something new happened. I don't know why nothing happened in our life. We are also normal people, but it's not like something one day happened this will create a big news and
Yeah.
then they will post it. नहीं कर सकते, पॉसिबल ही नहीं, मुझसे होगा ही नहीं.
Yeah. And now your first goal, like become fluent, is almost about to
Yeah.
over. Yeah. So fluency is now your second goal to become YouTuber. Like
Mhm.
this, no? Yeah.
Yes, I should do something else. I would do
Actually, I
something
appreciate your
nice.
hard work. Yeah. Like in 1 or 2 years, you achieve this much fluency. Is
Mm.
I mean, what do you believe this clapping or this English yaari is good? Is help?
They are
Yeah,
helpful.
actually help. Yeah, but nowadays I was using this clapping, But
Okay.
now the tutor, yeah, the tutor getting slot on the booking slot is very difficult. Very less tutor is available on Clappingo. I don't know
Because
why.
many people are using it now, so I think maybe you can use another application. I think you have already took subscription of Clappingo. Okay.
Yes, yes. And I nowadays I'm not getting the recorded video also. The Clappingo service is getting worst. I don't know why.
First. Yes,
Yeah.
even I agree with you because I have recorded 15 videos with them and I did not get the recording of that. At least English Yari
Yes.
people, they provide video just after having a
Instant.
conversation.
Yeah. I
Instantly, you
attended
will get the video.
demo class on English Yaari, and after finishing off the session, demo session, I get the video.
See, I
That
wouldn't say that tutors on Clappingo are not good. They are actually good. Tutors, if I
yeah.
talk about Clappingo, Ace, Fluency, English, Ari, all tutors are amazing. It's all about the
Yes.
services, how your administration work. So, in terms of Clappingo, it is not going great in terms of that. But English, Ari is
Uh,
still good. It's not that bad. You can take sessions, and teachers on English area, they are all certified tutors. That is one thing I really like about that application. Second is Ace Fluency. That is one of the best application. Today I have connected with one of the lady, and she is also a YouTuber, I think. So she told me that she has took subscription of English Yari for 1 year, and it is
okay.
so affordable. It's hardly 100 rupees a month, and she is taking so many advantages from that one application, Ace Fluency. I
Yes,
did
full.
not know that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you
So
will watch that video, you will get to know everything about that application. We have discussed so many things in that video. So you can watch it within two to
okay.
three days. I'll upload it. And it's good for the people who are learning English.
Yes, full well. Yeah, I will try. Because this
Yes, you should try.
Clappingo and this English Ari is okay
Very
for
good.
professional, but not affordable for normal
Not
people.
affordable at all. Yeah, I
Yeah.
agree with you. And for that reason, she told me that Ace Fluency is really amazing. She's talking with other learners free of cost, and they are providing 1 month free for talking other learners. After a month, you have to take subscription.
Okay. Ma'am, any tips for professionals who want to be fluent with their work?
Mm.
They don't have much time. So, like what they to do on regular basis? Like
Okay.
they having only half an hour. They want to spend only half an hour.
Okay. I have a great idea, but I think we have already discussed about it. You're already using Clappingo, right?
Yeah.
Did you find that peer feature? Did you ever use that
No.
peer?
No. No.
Right, that is affordable also, peer feature, and most of that is basically learner to learner conversation. But
Okay.
on that application, I use that personally for 1.5 month, and daily, like there is a fixed time, like evening 5 o'clock till night 11 o'clock, because that is the most of the time professionals are available. Because 6 o'clock it's छुट्टी हो
Yeah.
जाती है 6 बजे offices की,
Yes.
like so you can connect easily. Second thing, you will get most of the time professional people there, like doctors, engineers, teachers, and professional people
Yeah.
who want to enhance their English up to certain level. So I
Yeah.
have used that peer feature of clapping, and that is one of the amazing thing I found.
So is
So you can
peer feature is video or audio, only audio?
audio, only audio,
Okay. Okay. Then also
but it will
fine.
help you for your like improving your conversation or communication skills, because most of the learners, they are already like very fluent.
Okay. Great.
So, and that is as compared to the normal charges, it is like half of them. Like if you are taking subscription monthly in 4,000, you have to pay only 1,500 or 2,000 rupees for peer feature. You can talk
Okay.
to any Clappingo customer care, they will tell you like how you can use it, and it's really amazing feature, I would say that.
Okay. I
Hmm.
will try.
And Baki, you are speaking good. I don't think that there's a lot of difficulty. Maybe you're feeling nervous
Yeah.
because you're connecting with me for the first time. It happens
Yes.
if
Yes.
we talk to strangers. It's usually happen that we can't speak in the flow we are habitual of.
Yes.
Something is stuck automatically. I think you are already good.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for connecting.
Thank you so much for connecting with me, and it's really nice talking to you.
Same here and enjoy your weekends. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.